Hey everyone, I'm back again. This time I'm just gonna make a quick, short video on for like people who want to make a grimoire, or a book of shadows, but don't like the idea of ruining it. You know, like not being able to take out pages and put it in like a certain part. So I'm here to give you some ideas on how you can do that. And I'll show you mine's real quick. This is my first Book of Shadows. You know, I'm still actually filling it up, but I have hair all on my face. There you go. But you know, having sections like this, in which you wish you could put like way back here, but you can't. That's what I mean on what you could do. So my first suggestion for those who wish to be able to change their Book of Shadows more easily, get a Midori, which is this. This is my pocket passport size Midori, and it cost me $10, even for like the inserts. And I actually made my self my own, which is this one. As you can see, it's pretty small. I'll show you what it is inside. And I might actually sell some of these in my shop, but I don't know yet. But this is a Midori. You open the inside, and you have a pamphlet here, and then your inserts, which these are the inserts I have, which I have yet to actually use them. I'm still debating on if I want to actually save this or sell it. So with the Midori, as you can see, this is an insert. So what you can do is, if you want to switch out a page, you just take it out. And you can either save it or you can trash it. And then you can slip it right back in. Whoops, one came out. But yes, it's very good. And there's like another pocket. If I can show you or link the one that I bought, which was $10, I'll include it in the description, because it comes with a section for you to store things in, and also one to put like your cards and stuff in on both sides. And then this is another insert that I made myself. And if you're curious, you just slip it out like that. That's how you insert little books and things like that in your Midori. So you can use that as an easy way for making your own Book of Shadows. Because if you screw up, it's okay. You can just take out the page and put a new one. You can make your own, you can customize it, and so forth. And if your thing gets too big for it, or too chunky, you can just take out things of it and, you know, store them somewhere. You could label them like ones for like experiences with spirits, talking with your deity, potions, spells, things like that. You can label them. And what I mean by them is like, this is one insert. You can label it once it's completely filled, and then this will be your whole little section on certain spells. And if you want to add more to it, you can just, you know, either glue it together so it's like one huge book, or you can just, you know, save them separately. You know, have your own little library of different spells that you conjure up or saved. Another thing which I just got into is using a binder. This is a mini binder. This is one that I made. So with a mini binder, it's a lot smaller than an actual binder. As you can see, it's a lot more portable in my opinion and things, but you can use this easily as your Book of Shadows. You can customize the front page to whatever you want. You can even do the inside like this, which I actually thought about having this probably just like that, so that you can open it and put things in and zoom on the top. And if you're curious, this is supposed to be like my own junk journal supplies, and I tried stamping it with wax and it just kind of seeped it through everything. So yeah, anyways, so this is kind of like a divider. There we go. I'm trying to get to where I can speak. I don't know if you guys can hear me like this. But this is the divider, and then this could be a certain page that you'd want. Then you have another divider, which would be this one, and then it'll have like different other like potions, brews, ideas, spells, yeah, a bunch of other ideas. And actually this one right here is my planner, my daily planner, or what some would call like a bullet journal. This is mine, so that's why you see, where is it? It's kind of why you see things like Netflix, playlists, and so forth. So you could do that. You can even, you know, if you make something like this, make it like a bullet journal. Make a bullet journal Book of Shadows. You know, make it artsy like. Put your own little flair in it. And then also from the dollar store, I got it this cute little bag. It says it's cool. And it has my pens and things like that that I like to use in this. So yes, so there's a little bit of tips, and then of course, you know, if you can't afford any of that, at least I should say, you can always use a regular journal like this one. I know it may or may not irk you, the more like the fact that you wish you could put certain things in certain places without like tearing it out and then gluing it on a different page and things like that, because like you're kind of ruining the journal. But I forgot another thing that you can do if you want to make it more simple and you don't have a lot of like potions that you want to write down or so forth. You can make these, which is a little booklet. This is one I made, and it's really easy to make, as you can see. And this one I had, I think, 20 pages in it. But you can make something little like this. Probably keep it in like a little, there's hair floating around. I'm sorry if you saw that. My cats sleep in my room a lot, and we have 3 cats, me and my mom. And their hair just floats everywhere, so I'm sorry. But you can make one of these if you're like a minimal witch or so. And just keep little ideas in here. put it in your little travel altar, maybe, or even in your purse, whichever. And I also made this one, which I might sell some of these too, but I'm not sure. I'm still debating on them. But this is another one I made, and it's just, I think 5 pages, 5 or 4 pages. But you can use something like this to write your stuff in. You know, I will say, you can't tear anything out of them. Kind of the same reason, same way with an insert for Midori. You can't really tear out of them because they're either saddle stitched, which is like this, or they are stapled, and when you're trying to remove it, it kind of tears like a whole page out, and you don't want that because that's wasting. You don't want to waste. But yes, so those are just some little ideas I had in mind. You know, if you have ideas that you want to share with everyone else, you can just comment down below on it, and so forth. So yeah, I just wanted to make this quick little video. Thought it would be helpful for some of you guys who want to change up your book a little bit without tearing things out and putting it in certain places. If you know what I mean, I hope you do. Sorry this video was short, but you know, I'll have some other videos up pretty soon, sometime this month. So until then, I hope you all have a lovely day. I'm going to bye.